What's for breakfast? Mom? Nicole? 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 Wait for me! 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 Wait for me!
Dear little ones, we have taken your parents.
Candy! 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 Marshmallows! 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 Cupcakes! 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 Stupid cupcakes! Little bites! Little bites! Chocolate! Mixed fruit snacks! Yeah! Mom never lets us have that stuff, Kevin! We're not allowed to eat it! Well, guess what? Mom is in here! Everyone, guess what? I'm having a party at my house because, you know what? No parents! Hey guys, I'm having a party at my house. Come over. No parents.
Guys, come to my house at 7 o'clock, okay?
Go ahead.
Just summer. It's so again.
Okay guys, I've called this meeting because I think our parents are right, because I'm really tired and
We should have not eaten the candy, watched the horror movie, had a dance party, and all of that stuff. This is a nightmare. Did you just have the worst nightmare ever? Yes, I did.
Nicole, Allison, did you just have the worst dream ever?
Yeah.
And I thought it was the most incredible thing ever. I really couldn't believe it.
You're
My
here!
kids-
You're here!